professional photographer.
Hello everyone, it's me and my daddy.
Relax a bit.
Yes.
Ja? Go relax a bit.
Few minutes, né?
Nog een hele uur.
Daar gaat ze wel
Louis
zo relax. Is het alright? Faber,
Go lay more soda, go enjoy yourself.
Prachtig, lekker wat dag, man. Beautiful. Allemaal van jullie. Lijkt zo prachtig. Mashallah.
As net jy wat daar gedink het en het 'n paar het gevra. Hoe is die party man dan?
En toe?
Dit was 'n bietjie strange vir hulle. Maar hulle man het maar dit verstaan.
Fatima. Fatima. Ik heb een overvriend van mij bij de kliniek gekregen. De dagochtend. Nou, zo blij om elkaar te zien. We hak elkaar. Uitskrelen. Stop. Zo zeggen nou. Maar hoe zit een oorlog? Dan lig je het shit nou over elkaar nou. Precies, vraag ze van mij. Ik ga van zo vragen. Zeg, natuurlijk, wat is er wat je soda en getrunken Fatima zijde. Family is het daddy. Zeg, ik heb iets aan wat ik niet eens te zien. En nu komt allemaal zeggen ze maar voor mij. Dat is zijde. Facebook. Ik weet niet eens. Maar alhamdulillah zeg ik, ja, dat is allemaal lekker kennis. Het gaat op zaterdag. En dan gaan we het doen. Ze gaan het bij op Facebook zien. Maar alhamdulillah, jullie is bij je goede kennis. Met Allah's goederen. Dat kan ik ons geleden. Jullie maken het happy. Alhamdulillah. Maar gaan we nog zo van de zee. Even nog maken. Klaar gezien. Hoe was je?
Je hebt de limit voor. Dan is het regtig dat draai om dat dan te kry van om die doen wat ek gedaan het. Ja, dat is nou die Ajira.
Ik ga nou van de
Ajira.
So guys, it's my family had a get together. It's my daddy and everyone, my soda, my sisters are all here. We had a wonderful time. And we did a photo shoot. As you can see, the makeup. Ik heb twins lashes on. I'm going to show you what we were up to and who's all here. The sisters are all here. It's absolutely wonderful. Yeah, ik is nou moe.
Heel mooi vandaag.
Prinses Aya.
Het zijn van zo mooi gemaakt voor die shoot. Ze ligt bij je prachtig. Beautiful, mashallah. Ze is bij je prachtig. Ik kan nog niet zeggen om het te zeggen dat ze is.
Prinses Aya.
Beautiful, mashallah, met hem. Allah gaat heel blij. Man, shukr voor Allah.
Aya, where's your girlie? Dun 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 dun. Kissy, kissy, pa, pa.
Ik heb niet zieken, Allah nog één weg gehad.
Yes, yes, man. Wait. Yes.
Wacht maar.
Ja, vraag me. Allah is bij je groot. Ik heb geen allemaal zien. Als je er lang gezien hebt, dan ben ik blij als ik alle allemaal zie. Alhamdulillah. Hé, dijken, dijsamen, dijkploem van hem. Het is prachtig, Isa. Ja, Allah kan het prachtig. Isa is man wonderful.
Cleaning up.
Dit ding is nou eers te maak.
Sila, gonna cut up the watermelon.
Hij paas het toch, ik heb net papa verstaan. Hij nou niet verstaan. Ik heb nog al met
Room. Aja, say hello.
Hi guys.
Okay guys, everyone's gone. I tried my best to get the makeup off, but I still have some on. So I've just been resting, watching some movies. I'm going to venture out in the garden. I know, I haven't been there for a while. Crocodile, but I'm gonna go. We also have a bird's nest with 2 chicks in there, and it's like on top of a high place. I'll show you guys, but I'm so scared the chicks are gonna fall, so we put little blankets around. Yeah, because that happened once. So I am going to go take a look at the grapevine. Let's see what it looks like. Going back to everyone that was here. We had mac and cheese, chicken, salad, cake. I can't remember now. Fruits, nothing too much or too heavy, but there was quite a lot of people here and we had a good time. And what else? Yeah, it was the last shoot of the new cookbook done. Wow, I have a wonderful team who helped me with so much. Without them, it wouldn't have been possible at all. And of course, all my family and friends that's supporting me through all this. And of course, my better half, who is my rock. And Sunny Boy is sleeping. It's Sunday, it's rustig. And I like that. So, yeah. On I think Wednesday or Thursday, I'm done working. And then I'm going to really take a break. But I'll post a here and there of what I'm up to. I'll vlog. If you guys want to see, if you're interested. Yeah. Okay. The next clip, I'm going to show you guys the grapevine. Yep. Everyone's gone. Quiet. You know, that Sunday afternoon quiet. Tomorrow I'm doing two more videos with Faber Butcher. I'm making a beef fillet and I'm going to be making roti and curry with some delicious lamb knuckles. Okay. Online order came. There's the nest, but the mommy is gone. The birdies is on top there. First time coming around the bend because my foot was a bit sore. You see the guava tree? It's starting to bloom. Okay. This guava tree is going to yield thousands of guavas. Okay, coming up is the grapevine. Let's see what's happening. First time I'm seeing it. Ooh, looky. We did trim it quite down. Oh yeah, looky. Okay, is there more? I like that there isn't too many grapes. It's gonna be nice and sweet because there aren't many. They got I think a few weeks more to grow, maybe a month. Let's go see here. Must be careful how I thread. Look at this. Gonna grow lekker. What's on the other side? Quite a few more. Look at this. They look so fat and gorgeous. What even? Sunny is saying happy holidays to everyone. You wanna play bally? Shani boy? Wanna play bally? Where's bowling? Show me. Come, play bowling. Where's bowling? Sunny boy. Yes, bowling. This this is the nice bowlie that you like. Okay, this is the white guava. Also has the blooms. Look at that. They are actually, you know what? They are extremely beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. This flower gives you guavas. Okay people, that's my video, my Sunday. I had a great day. I'm trying to get the rest of this makeup off now. Hope you had a wonderful Sunday. I love you guys. Thank you always for all the support. And I'll be back again with another video soon. Bye everyone.